So let's solve this question. This question came in the year 2020. Okay, and in the year 2020, I think IIT Delhi, they organized this GATE exam. Okay, so anyway, let's come to the question. So here you can see 2D array has been initialized. Okay, and what they are asking for the value that is printed. Okay, so let's solve this question. So before solving this question, one thing that I hope that you know about the pointer concept. Okay, like in order to access an element of, you see, in order to access an element of 1D array, we need 1 star. In order to access an element of 2D array, we need 2 star. For 3D array, we need 3 star. Okay, so let's solve this question. So first, you see, as per question, let's draw the figure. Okay, let's draw the figure of 2D array. So actually, what is 2D array? It is a collection of 1D array, just like this. Here you can see, this is the first 1D array, this is the second 1D array, this is the third 1D array, this is the fourth 1D array. Okay, so 4 rows and 5 columns are there. Okay, so let's see how. So what's written? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then what is the second 1D array? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is the third 1D array? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And what is the fourth 1D array? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. So, and let's give the address. Okay, for your convenience. So the address is 100. Then just assume that the integer is of 2 byte. Okay, it's not given in the question. Just it is an assumption, because basically it is of 4 byte or 2 byte. Okay, then 102, but I am taking just 2 byte. 102, 104, 105, 106. It means what the address of these are the address given. Okay, then let's start with 200. Okay, 200, then 202, then 204, then 206, then 208. Fine. Then 300, 300, then 302, then 304, then 306, 308. Then 400, 402, 404, 406, 408. Okay. So since it's a 2D array, so there will be another array which will store the pointer. Okay, which will store the base pointer of all these arrays. So what is the base address of this first array? 100. What is the base address of this second array? 200. What is the base address of this third array? 300. And fourth one is 400. Okay. So the array name is, it means what, this 100 is pointing to this array, this 200 is pointing to this, 300 is pointing to this, 400 is pointing to this. Okay. So now let's come to this part. Okay. So as per the associativity and precedence rule, we know that the bracket has the higher precedence. Higher precedence means what? Whatever present inside the bracket, it will be calculated first. Okay. So here you can see that this part has the highest precedence. So let me write it again here. What's written? Star, then another star, then A plus star star A plus 2 plus 3, then that's over. Okay. So we will solve this bracket first. Okay. So let's solve it. Star, star. So and also one thing, let me tell you that the star has the higher precedence than plus operator. Okay. So this star has the higher precedence than this plus and this plus operator. Okay. So this star will be calculated first. So A plus star star of A. Star star of A. What is the value of A? Okay, I have not given the value of A. So let's write the base address, that is 500, then 502, then 504, then 506. Okay. So in place of A, we will write the base address of A. That happens in an array. Okay. So in place of A, we will write 500. Fine. Then plus 2. Okay. So I hope it's visible. So star of 500. I've already told you that in case of 2D array, in order to access an element, we need 2 star. Okay. So how this 2 star will work? First this star will work, then this star. So star of 500. So let's solve this part. Star of 500. Star of 500 means what? Initially we are standing here. So star of 500 means what? We will move inside this. Okay. Okay. It means what? Star of 500 means what? What is the value at the address 500? So what is the value at the address 500? So what is the value at the address 500? At 100? So with the help of single star, we came here. Okay. With the help of single star, we came here. And so the value of star of 500 is 100. So let's write 100 here. Fine. After that, you can see here what's written. Star of 100. So now don't solve this part or this part. First solve star part, because star has higher precedence than plus operator. Okay. So what's left here? Star of 100. So what is star of 100? Star of 100 means what? Value at the address 100. Okay. So what is the value at the address 100? So let's come here. So 100 means what? We are standing here. So what is the value at the address 100? 1. Okay. 1. So here at the place of star 100, I will write 1. So you can see with the help of 2 star, we have accessed one element of this 2D array, that is 1. So here it is 1. Fine. So now, so what is left here? A plus 1 plus 2. A plus 1 plus 2. Okay. So, A plus 1 plus 2. So, what is A plus 1 plus 2? A plus 3. So, let's write A plus 3 here. Rather than A plus 1 plus 2, it will be replaced with A plus 3. So, what is A plus 3? A plus 3 means what? Third, you see, it is A, then A plus 1 is this. Then A plus 2 is this, A plus 3 is this. Okay. So A plus 3 means what? The value of A is 500. Okay. So in place of A, just write 500. So 500 plus 3. So since integer is of, we have considered integer as of 2 bytes. So what is A plus 3? A plus 3 is not just 500 plus 3. It will be 500 plus 3 into 2. That is 506. Okay. I think it is visible. Again, I will tell you. The base address of this A is 500. Okay. Then here what it is left? A plus 3. That is 500 plus 3. So what is 500 plus 3? This is 500, this is 500 plus 1, 500 plus 2, 500 plus 3. It means what? 500 plus 3 means what? From the third element, from the fourth element, from the location 500. From the location 500, this is first element, this is second element, this is third element, this is fourth element. Or you can also think like this. this is A, then this is A plus 1, okay, then this is A plus 2, and this is A plus 3. So here this is A plus 3. So what is the value of A plus 3? That is 506. Okay. So in place of A plus 3, we will write 506. Okay. So let's write 506 here. 506. In place of A plus 3, I have written 506. So star, then again bracket, then star, then again bracket, then 506. This bracket is closed, so no need to write this bracket because just only single element is left. So what we have now? Star of 506 plus 3. Okay. So let's solve star of 506. So what is the meaning of star of 506? Value at the address 506. So what is the value at the address 506? That is 400. Okay, you see 400 is present at the address 506, that is 400. So let replace this star of 506 with 400. 400. Okay, so now what we have left? 400 plus 3. 400 plus 3 means what? This is 400. Okay, the address of this element is 400. Then this is 403 means what? This is 400. Then it means what? Third element from the address 400. Address of the third element from the address 400. Just like this. This is the 400, then 401, then 402, then 403, 406. Got it? Okay, let me tell you once again. This is 400 plus 3. So 400 plus 3 means what? It is it's not merely 403 because each integer byte is taking each integer is taking 2 byte space. Okay, then 400 plus 3 into 2, that is 406. Or you can think like this. This is 400, then this is 400 plus 1, this is 400 plus 2, and this one is 400 plus 3. That is 406. So 400 plus 3 is 406. Okay. So let's write 406 in place of 400 plus 3. Okay. 406. So what is left now? Star of 406. So no need to write bracket here. Star of 406. So what is star of 406? Value at the address 406. Okay. So what is the value at the address 406? 19. Okay. Just see here 19. So the final answer is 19. So 19 is the output. Okay. This question is very easy. All you need to know is about the array and pointer concept. Okay. Okay. Fine.